Hey everyone, so today I came across another vintage heat pump. This one is a Carrier. I believe AC enthusiasts call this unit the round one, I guess due to that barrel-like appearance it's got. And as you can tell from the amount of rust and corrosion on this thing, it has been around for ages. Spine fin condenser there. We'll take a look down the business end. Now the really neat thing about this old unit is that it still runs and it's still in service to this day. Here we have another old GE WeatherTron. These things are all over this complex as well. I see quite a few of these. So with that, I'll conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this old Carrier here and this old WeatherTron as well. Now we will have more to come, so stay tuned. Later.